Here's my all of the stuff जो कि मैं एक ही बार ले आई हूँ so that I don't have to get up again and again because I'm on my period and I'm having really bad cramps. So what's up? Fake Smile 101. So guys, these are all the things which brand sent me. Some of them are gifts, some of them are for promotions, and after the promotion is being done, we get to keep the things and I'm like, anyway, I do not want to portray this thing in a negative manner. This is something which we get after putting in a lot of hard work or maybe some work also. So this is basically like perks of being a blogger, and at the same time I see it as a result after putting in a lot of hard work into what I do, and I'm actually grateful for the fact that brands are recognizing it and seeing blogging as a career because पहले ऐसे नहीं होता था guys. So usually what happens is कि there's this new product in the market which I have no idea about, and then after some time I get it sent by a brand to test it out by my own self, and I end up loving those products so much that later after that product is finished I end up buying that same product with my own money, and then I start using it on my daily life, and then I show it in my videos, and then you guys also love it, and then you guys also test it out by your own self, and that actually makes me happy rather than getting just free stuff from the brands because that's the connection in itself. So guys, let's get started with the PR haul now. Okay, so I have planned to show you some of the stuff which I have recently got because already मेरे पास बहुत सारा stuff है. For example, अगर वो अलमारी हम खोलेंगे तो सारा stuff गिर जाएगा. But I wanted to make it interesting for you guys and what we love, clothes and makeup. So yes, that's what we're going to do today. Okay, so let's get started with this one because ये बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा यार मैं नहीं उठा सकती. Sorry. So guys, this box is actually from Shein and इसमें सारे clothes and few accessories भरे हुए हैं, and this box I actually got as a gift from Shein क्वारंटीन के थोड़े टाइम से पहले, and फिर एकदम क्वारंटीन हो गया and उस पीरियड में मैंने जितनी भी वीडियोस बनाई हैं उसमें I used a lot of these clothes and you guys kept asking me कि तुमने ये टॉप कहाँ से लिया, ये ड्रेस कहाँ से लिए, and I used to find similar options but it's very difficult to find them in Indian markets. So yeah, apologies for that अगर मैंने थोड़े कम सिमिलर प्रोडक्ट्स टैग करे हो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, बट एनीवे लेट्स ओपन इट अप एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट ऑल वी हैव हियर. आई एम सो एक्साइटेड. सो गाइस, ऑन द टॉप शेल्फ we have accessories, earrings, bracelet, clips, including this one which I'm wearing today, the gold and the pearl thing happening, two of my favorite things which I love in any jewelry, any accessories. I just love the gold and the pearl detail happening. It just looks so elegant, casual and classy at the same time. So yeah, I just love it. Guys, sometimes these brands send you the coolest stuff ever, especially to bloggers, which I'm very happy about. Okay, so the next thing which I got is this pair of earrings, the star and again pearl thing happening, which I love. If you guys don't know, I love stars a lot. Like मेरे ankle पे एक star वाला tattoo भी है जो कि मैंने अपने घर वालों को बिना बताए बनवाया था, and बाद में उन्होंने कहा कि चलो ठीक है अभी तो हटवा तो सकते नहीं है, तो I won. You guys know मैं अपनी वीडियोस में कैसे इधर उधर भागती रहती हूँ, उछलती रहती हूँ. Today I can't do it because the problem which I shared in the beginning of this video. But anyway, I'll try to insert a photo somewhere. And yeah, I just love it. This is hanging. I just love it. Like this is so unique and cool. Like you can't find it anywhere. And अब मैं इसे link भी नहीं कर सकती. Also guys, look at the packaging detail. For example, जैसे इसको मैंने इस कार्डबोर्ड के अंदर से डाला है, इसके पीछे ऐसे हार्ट का कुछ स्टफ है. यार ये क्यों गिरा, मैं कैसे उठूं यार. So, can't do this. Finally, this is this heart thing जो कि इसके पीछे लगता है, and then you can just close it. So cute यार, so nice. So next I got these big lavender floral earrings. I love floral earrings so much, and this is just another addition to my whole collection. Just a basic lavender hanging floral earring, like statement piece which you can even style with anything, white or any basic shirt, and that just adds a whole different charm to your whole look, which I just love about these kind of statement pieces. Like you just have to invest one and you can style them in so many different ways. Just love it. Then I have this very statement looking bangle which is adjustable, like it fits every size because it's just a free size, anyone can wear it, and it's just a simple statement golden bracelet. Like if you don't want to wear watch, you can just go ahead with this one. So yeah. So guys, next thing I got are these hair clips, salon looking hair clips, which are way too trendy on Instagram. Like they are all over the internet. And जब उन्होंने मुझे options choose करने के लिए बोला, so instead of clothes, the first thing which I picked were these hair clips, and you just have to wear them like this, like anywhere, and that's it. Looks so fancy. अगर मेरी mom देखेगी कहेंगी ये तो हर जगह salons में मिलती है, इसमें क्या है? But mom, we have needs. So guys, now let's talk about outfits. Starting with this dress which I'm wearing right over here. This is asymmetrical mixed print sort of thing happening, which is so hard to pull off as a design. But I'm so glad how it has turned out. I mean, it looks so fun to look at, and I feel very, glamorous while wearing it. This is so fun, so quirky as a design, and the style is so unique. I just love it when I first look at it, and I was like, I have to have it. And even my best friend was very happy when I wore it in my earlier video, and she was like, कहाँ से ली? And I was like, it is from Shein, but उस time पे हम नहीं ले सकते थे because quarantine started and Shein ban हो गया था थोड़े time बाद. So yeah, but anyway, I just love this dress. I love the color, the material, everything. It looks so rich and not a cheap fabric, which I love the most about it. So guys, next up I have this one. This is a white crop shirt, single shoulder top with a zipper at back, which makes it easier to wear. Also, this one I wore in my silver play button wala photo shoot video, and so many of you thought कि it's a shirt जो कि मैंने different way में restyle किया हुआ है, but no, वो as it is ये top मैंने पहना हुआ था, which kind of looks like कि मैंने एक shirt को different way से style किया हुआ है, but नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. I just love it. Again, such a unique design, looks so classy and so casual at the same time. For example, if I'm going for a casual brunch date, I will wear it. Next, I got myself two t-shirts in pink color. दोनों different pink colors हैं. So this, so you have seen me wearing in so many of my videos. This is V-neck, and V-neck का like मैं usually पहनती नहीं, and I just wanted to take a chance and experiment, and I actually ended up loving it. And इसके बाद मैंने जितनी भी t-shirts लिए वो मैंने V-neck में ही लिए because yeah, they look good on me. And इसके नीचे ऐसा net का material है which looks so elegant, like casual t-shirt में थोड़ा सा तुम fun element डाल दो, it just works the best. Similarly, I have this pink shirt जिसमें यहाँ पे ऐसे नॉट दिया हुआ है. ये stitched नॉट है, तो मुझे अलग से DIY करने का कोई भी नीड नहीं है. This is just a basic t-shirt. Stripes है इसमें if we'll look closely. Yeah, casual fun. And also this year I thought of experimenting with different colors, ऐसा मैंने अपनी पुरानी वीडियोज़ में भी बोला है. So yeah, उसी का रिजल्ट है ये t-shirt. As I said in my previous white wali shirt and this top as well, कि these are the things which you can easily DIY it by your own self, and probably मैं इनको शायद खरीदती भी नहीं, but when they actually sent it to me, I was like okay, मतलब ऐसी वाली चीज़ें एक reason की वजह से होती है, so that it saves our time. Also, ऐसे वाले कलर्स मैं शायद नहीं एक्सपेरिमेंट करती खुद से खरीद के. सो या व्हेन दे सेंड इट टू मी, आई लव्ड इट, एंड मे बी ऐसे और कलर्स में मैं इन्वेस्ट करूँगी, विच काइंड ऑफ हेल्प मी बिल्डिंग माई ब्लॉग वर्क मोर. सो या few days back I posted my jeans collection video, and in that I wore this mom jeans, and yes, this one was from Shein. I shared a similar link in description box, but again so many of you got to know that yes, it was from Shein because I replied to few of the comments. So yeah, this one is from Shein. I just love it so much. This is in extra small size. कभी मुझे extra small sizes आते हैं, कभी मुझे small sizes आते हैं, बीच में क्वारंटीन में मैं थोड़ी सी मोटी हो गई थी, तो मुझे लगा कि शिट यार मुझे नहीं आएगा, and it's a new jeans and मेरी favorite pair of jeans है, तो I was kind of sad, but मैंने अपने आप को सही कर लिया and मैं इसमें दोबारा fit हो पा रही हूँ. I just love the fit, the material, the quality. It is so fun and relaxing. इसका जो कपड़ा है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा smooth है, and I just love wearing it everywhere, like with casual outfits or with more of elegant looking outfits as well. For example, for evening or even for the night time, you can just style it with heels or any glittery top and you're just good to go. Next is the trendiest top ever, which you guys will see everywhere on Instagram. इसको मैंने अभी तक पहना नहीं है, and this is in size small. जो भी मेरे outfits जो भी मैंने अभी तक दिखाए हैं, all of them are in extra small size, but this is in size small because उन पे यही वाला option left था, and I was like, this top is cute though, ओके आई फिगर समथिंग आउट एंड दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. थोड़ा सा मुझे स्लीव से लूज है बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली ये साइज स्मॉल में, बट एनी वे आई थिंक आई कैन वर्क विद दैट. Otherwise, the whole vibe is so cool and again so girly and so fresh, so summery, and the color, just look at it, like every detail about this top is so cool. I just love it head to toe. Guys, अभी आधा बॉक्स भी फिनिश नहीं हुआ है and can you imagine they just gifted it me like that. Thank you. Next, I got these pair of beautiful maroon color palazzo pants. Not palazzo, wide leg pant, and इसके side में थोड़ा सा ऐसे sheer thing is happening with this net का material, which looks so elegant. Like I'm loving the fact कि ऐसे simple outfits में छोटी छोटी details डाल के इन्होंने पूरे लुक को इतना कूल बना दिया है. आई रेयरली एक्सपेरिमेंट विद माई बॉटम्स का कलर्स. लाइक आई ऑलवेज गो विद ब्लैक, ब्लू, दैट्स इट. एंड एक बार मेरे पास सिर्फ एक ही वाइट जीन्स है, सो दैट्स द मैक्सिमम एक्सपेरिमेंट आई डिड विद माई होल वॉर्डरोब. सो दिस टाइम आई अगेन थॉट कि ओके चलो लेट्स ट्राई दिस वन बिकॉज दिस इज अगेन डार्क कलर. प्रॉबेबली अगर ये थोड़ा लाइटर शेड होता तो मैं शायद नहीं इन्वेस्ट करती. आई डिडंट इन्वेस्ट, सॉरी. देखा मुझे कितनी आदत हो गई है. इट्स अ गिफ्ट सोनिया. बट अगेन यू गॉट माई पॉइंट राइट. लाइक मैं कभी शायद इन्वेस्ट नहीं करती, बट वेन यू गेट दीज थिंग्स टू ट्राई इट आउट बाय योर ओन सेल्फ, यू एक्चुअली एंड अप लविंग दैम एंड यू एक्चुअली गेट टू ट्राई दैम बाय योर ओन सेल्फ कि ओके दिस इज समथिंग एंड दीज काइंड ऑफ स्टाइल्स एंड कलर्स आर समथिंग विच गो ऑन यू. सो आई जस्ट लव इट एंड दिस काइंड ऑफ गिव्स मी poo vibe also. So I'm loving it. I'm happy. Next are these basic pair of denim shorts. These fit perfectly on me like a dream and I just love the color, the material, the fabric, the design, every single thing. And this is just perfect for casual day out. Or what, I also like these days I also love styling these kind of basic shorts with a fancy statement looking top, so that मुझे ज़्यादा efforts भी नहीं करने पड़ते अगर मैं कहीं बाहर जा रही हूँ for an event or a party. So you can easily switch things like that and you'll be good to go. इस वाले स्पेशली टॉप ने मुझे डिज्नी प्रिंसेस बना दिया था. लाइक पूरे कमेंट सेक्शन में जिस टॉपिक पे मैंने वीडियो बनाई थी उस पर कम कमेंट्स आ रहे थे एंड मेरे टॉप को लेके ही सारे कमेंट्स आ रहे थे एंड बहुत लोगों को लग रहा था कि ये ड्रेस भी है. सो नो, इट इज़ नॉट अ ड्रेस, दिस इज़ अ टॉप एंड आई जस्ट लव इट सो मच. लाइक मैंने इसको बहुत ही स्पेशल ओकेजन के लिए सेव करा हुआ था एंड आई वाज लाइक उस वीडियो के लिए दिस वुड बी परफेक्ट एंड आई जस्ट वोर इट एंड यू गाइज वेंट क्रेजी इन द कॉमेंट सेक्शन. ऐसे वाले टॉप्स जो इंस्टाग्राम बुटीक्स होते हैं, इंटरनेशनल इंस्टाग्राम बुटीक्स, वहाँ पे बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव प्राइजेस में मिलते हैं एंड आई जस्ट लव द होल वाइब, द होल फील ऑफ दिस टॉप. एंड इसके फ्रंट में ऐसा रिबन, थोड़ा डिटेलिंग भी है. लाइक इट्स सो ड्रीमी. I just love everything about it. I think I love everything about everything I've shown you till now. That's the point. And again, as I said, just a basic thing, like it's a plain material and पीछे इसके zipper है and they just put something, statement thingy on sleeve and there's your brand new trendy top ready. How cool is that? I think तुम इसे normal tailor से भी बनवा सकते हो. Like this is very simple. How cool is that? I guess the whole vibe of 2020 fashion is, basic mixed with something statement. For example, this is just a basic tube top and they just added statement fun sleeves with it. And similarly, the thing we saw in pants, like basic pants and side में थोड़ा सा net का material था and the t-shirt with a little bit of bralette detail happening, at the bottom side. So I think that just makes it more fun and, fun to wear as well. ये क्या है? आई थिंक मैंने इसे ओपन ही नहीं किया है अभी तक. ओ माई गॉड, आई स्टिल डोंट गेट इट व्हाट इट इज. ओह, दीज आर वाइड लेग पैंट्स एंड अगेन यहाँ पे इसके कट दे रखा है लाइक नी से एंड अगेन सच अ बेसिक थिंग बट उन्होंने ऐसे फन कट दे दिया यहाँ पे टू एड सम एलिमेंट. सी द सेम थिंग. दिस लुक सो नाइस. अगर मैं कभी गोवा जाऊँगी ना तो ऐसे वाले आउटफिट्स लुक सो नाइस बट आई गेस मैं इसे घर पे सोते हुए पहनूँ. I don't want to end up like that. I don't want to live that life. I'll wear that in Goa. I'll go Goa one day. Promise. मुझे अपने फ्रेंड्स को कॉल करना पड़ेगा, वो नहीं मानेंगे. बट गाइज मेरे तो फ्रेंड्स ही नहीं है. क्या तुम लोग चलोगे मेरे साथ गोवा? जब भी मुझे पीरियड्स होते हैं ना एंड वेरेवर आई एम फिल्मिंग तो मैं स्टार्ट करती हूँ ऐसे लो, फिर धीरे धीरे फिर मैं नॉर्मल हो जाती हूँ. सो थैंक्स टू यू गाइज फॉर मेकिंग मी डू दिस जॉब. मेरा ध्यान हटता है अपनी खुद की प्रॉब्लम से भी. Then I have another fun statement sleeve वाला top. इसकी sleeve इसकी लेंथ जितना इक्वल है. Oh my god. So yeah, it is a crop top and मैंने इसे अभी तक पहन के भी नहीं देखा कि ये मुझे फिट आएगा भी या नहीं. So if you are seeing me wearing this right now, this is the first time I'm wearing it. And the material is okay. I mean it is cotton and जो ऐसे वाले डिज़ाइन है, जो ऐसे सर्कल होल वाले जो डिज़ाइन है, ऐसे मैं बहुत पहनती थी बचपन में. So I think the trend is back and yeah, this is just, you know, cotton wala stuff which you can easily wear in summer, and yes, it looks fun and, you know, quirky at the same time. So yeah, you can easily wear it outside as well. Next I have this plain crochet, not plain, this is a crochet black tube top with zipper at back, and जो ये चीज़ है ना, this you can tie around your waist and make a cute bow out of it. It looks so nice, like party appropriate. Like sometimes I feel कि you do not necessarily have to wear blingy stuff whenever you're going for a party or, you know, for an event. Things like these also work, and if you're not comfortable with these kind of tube tops, you can also wear something on top of it like a blazer or any cool jacket, statement jacket, and you'll be just good to go. And the last thing is actually a quad set which comes with a skirt like this and a top on top of that, a black top, and इसके आगे ऐसे string दे रखा है which you can, you know, adjust accordingly. And I just love anyway investing in quads. I mean not this one because this is a gift, but anyway in general, because you get two things, like top and the bottom part, which you can, you know, mix match with different outfits in your wardrobe later on. So you can create so many different outfits and that kind of saves your money as well. So yeah, with this one I just love the color of the bottom part. Like this is so aesthetic. Like these kind of colors and styles are all over the internet. That like this is something which is way too trendy. And जो ऊपर का top है, this is like okay. Like this is something which you can even get it in normal store or any mall. Also guys, just a little bit of disclaimer, I think that this time I will not be able to link similar things in description box down below because all of them are from Shein, as you guys just saw, and Shein Stand. And I just do not want to waste your time and my time at the same time, you know, searching for similar links, because I will not be able to find anything similar because just Shein ke outfits or styles hote hain that is way too different from what is available in India. So I don't think so that you will also be able to buy it, so no point. So yeah, just for this time I will not be linking anything in description box for clothes. So guys, now let's talk about lipsticks. The world full of lipsticks. Okay, so this is a box filled with so many lipsticks which Maybelline sent me around January or February में. And look at all these shades. Like तुम मेरी 50 वीडियोस उठा के देख लो, लास्ट 50 वीडियोस, एंड उसके हर डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मैंने इन्हीं में से कोई ना कोई लिपस्टिक पहनी हुई है, मैंने मेंशन कर रखी है और लिंक दे रखा है. जो ये एक खाली है, दिस आई गिफ्टेड टू माई फ्रेंड बिकॉज शी लाइक्ड इट एंड आई वाज लाइक ओके या यू कैन हैव इट. बट अदर देन दैट, this shade is my actually personal favorite. This is their shade number 10 which is birthday suit on. तो मुझे लगता है कि मेरा हर दिन ही बर्थडे सूट ऑन रहता है बिकॉज मैं डेली ये वाली पहनती हूँ. तो या मैंने इसको सब जगह यूज़ किया हुआ है. लाइक मुझे हर ओकेजन में, हर वीडियो में, हर आउटफिट के साथ मैंने कहीं ना कहीं इनको यूज़ किया ही हुआ है. एंड जब मेरी ये धीरे धीरे ख़त्म होने लगी बिकॉज मुझे ये जनवरी फेब में आई थी एंड मैंने इसे हर वीडियो अपने हर कॉन्टेंट में यूज़ किया हुआ है, रिसेंटली ओनली they sent me another bag full of lipsticks. You know, that's what I meant by lifetime full of lipsticks. And you won't believe how many lipsticks there are in this pouch. मुझे लग रहा है मैं गिरा ना दूँ. Can you believe it? Why? Oh yeah, I got it because I need them. एंड इन लिपस्टिक्स में भी आज मैंने एक लिपस्टिक पहनी हुई है बिकॉज आई नो यू गाइज आर गोइंग टू आस्क. सो आई वोर देयर सुपर स्टे इंक क्रेयॉन इन शेड. मुझे ना इसका शेड समझ नहीं आ रहा है इन्होंने कहाँ लिखा हुआ है, बट आई ट्राई टू फाइंड इट ऑन द इंटरनेट एंड डेफिनेटली लिंक इट फॉर यू गाइज इन डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. So brands keep on sending you their maybe new launches, their new products, or you know, maybe their existing products just for you to test it out and share the reviews with your pretty audience. I mean, how cool is that? Now that we're talking about it, I'm also thinking कि when I'll upload this video, I'll get another new bag full of lipsticks delivered at my doorstep. Yay! Also guys, just to put it out there, me sitting right over here and showing you all these things, like I really do not want you guys to get intimidated by it. I'm just trying to, you know, tell you the other side of the blogging world, like, you know, what happens behind the scenes so that we'll be more transparent that way. The whole point of making this video is just to sort of like an encouragement to you guys that whatever you're working on, just keep working hard on that, because you will be rewarded by the end of it. For example, when I started off with my blogging, I had no idea what it is, how it works, how to deal with brands, and so many other things. But when I actually started putting all of my hard work, this is what I'm getting as a reward by the end of it. So yeah, you do not necessarily have to do blogging just because you want to get free stuff. Probably you are a big blogger and still you're not getting any free stuff. I mean, there are so many possibilities. So the basic point is that just keep doing what you love doing, like actually love doing, and not just for the sake of free stuff, because that's gonna take you a long way. Also, for the lipsticks, I'm not going to be swatching all of them because there are so many of them, but I have used them in my previous videos, and I have made few lipstick collection and some of my favorite videos about lipstick. So I will be linking all of them in description box for you guys to check that out. So guys, that was it. Again, बहुत ही मानसून सीजन हुआ, ऐसे कौन बोलते हैं, बहुत ही मानसून सीजन हुआ है. बेसिकली बारिश हो रही है कल रात से, एंड वो रुक नहीं रही है. एंड अगर थोड़ा सा भी डल तुम्हें लग रहा होगा, सो आई अपोलोजाइज फॉर दैट, बट अगेन इट इज़ नॉट इन माई हैंड्स बिकॉज आई ओनली यूज़ नेचुरल लाइटिंग, बिकॉज आई डोंट लाइक आर्टिफिशियल लाइटिंग. तो उसमें जितनी भी अभी मेरे पास लाइटिंग आ रही है, आई ट्राई टू मेक दिस वीडियो. ऑल्सो आई वॉज नॉट फीलिंग गुड बिकॉज आई एम हैविंग बैड क्रैम्प्स. आई एम नॉट हैविंग दैम राइट नाउ. मतलब जब मैंने वीडियो बनाया ना, आई वॉज लाइक मैं बनाऊँ वीडियो या ना बनाऊँ, बट देन आई गॉट माई सेल्फ अप, आई पुट ऑन सम मेकअप, ड्रेस माई सेल्फ वेरी नाइसली, एंड आई वाज लाइक ओके, अब मैं थोड़ा कर सकती हूँ. एंड देन मिडल ऑफ द मेकिंग ऑफ द वीडियो, आई डोंट नो हाउ टू यूज दिस वर्ड्स, but then in the middle of making this video I got a bit motivated and मेरा ध्यान अपनी problem से हट गया. I was like okay, yeah, I'm having fun now. So thank you so much because you guys just keep supporting me that way, and that kind of gives me more encouragement into making new videos. So thank you so much for that. And yeah, without boring you guys anymore, that is it for today's video. Let me know how was it, and do subscribe to my channel before leaving, and like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.